Hello, very good morning. Welcome to JS Testing Academy. Welcome to the next part of video in the API right framework series. Okay, so we have seen some basic code in the Appium, and then we moved to framework. Then we created a framework. We created a library class. We created a config.property. Now we are going to write C utility class. Okay, utility class is a reusable class. Like for example, I want to take a screenshot. I want to enter a text. I want to click an element. Right. I want to tap it. I want to swipe it. I want to pinch it. I want to zoom it. Right. There are a lot of functions which we can do test with a mobile app, or you can drag and drop. Right. So all these things we have learned in Selenium also, right? So all these things, right, we need to create a common code so that it can be reused. Instead of writing each time click, enter text, right, in the same steps, right, it is going to be right very tedious, and it's going to be right lot of work, right, lot of reusable work that can be avoided. That's why we create a separate class. We create call keep all these methods and call to a test case, like that is the test steps, right? So I will add more to this utility class. Now I've added a basic utility class. Okay, first, right, I've just initiated Appium driver, then default timeout. Next one is utility class. I've created a constructor, and I use this driver to initiate this current object. Okay, I've created two methods. One is for element to be located. This is a web driver wait, explicit wait have added, so that the element it waits until the element to be located. This you all know basics, right? Right, it is this method is going to wait until the element is to be located. I use web driver wait, new web driver wait, and timeout seconds, right, whatever seconds, and wait until the expected condition. This will satisfy the condition. It will wait until the condition is getting satisfied. Okay, and it's going to right till the element is visible. It's going to wait, and this method is going to wait till the element is clickable. Okay, this is also an explicit wait. It waits till the right element is going to be mobile element is going to be clickable. Okay, I've created another two methods. One is for screenshot, right, capturing the screenshot. Okay, we use get screenshot output type file method to capture the screenshot and store it in screenshot. Then we are going to store the file path where the file needs to be captured and stored, and right, and create directories, right, make directories, and copy from the designation and to the screenshot path. Okay, I use try catch also to catch the errors, right? Next one is I've used another method to take the timestamp, what time, right, it took, right, the current time, right, that I created a method, and I call this text screenshot method into this text screenshot with timestamp, so it's going to capture with the timestamp also. Okay, next I created another method, click element. Okay, I'm going to click element. This is the app we are going to practice in this right particular series. Okay, first, right, we are going to navigate to the app. Okay, first, like for example, the first test case is like click views. Okay, click this view button and navigate to this app. You can get the title. Okay, or something like that, right? So first, right, I want to click the element, so I've added this create method, wait for clickability dot click. Okay, wait for means it will call this method, and it will wait till the element is clickable, and then it is going to click it. Okay, so this I created an utility class, so that I still we are going to add more code into this particular class, like for example tap or pinch or zoom, right, swipe, right, drag and drop, like that we'll add more code into the code slowly when we go move to the next test case. Okay, initially I'm going to click the view element, that's why I've added only method and the basic methods like taking a screenshot and the wait. Okay, I've added. The next video we are going to add pages, step definitions, and feature file. Okay, hope this video is very useful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Right, have a nice day. Meet you soon in the next part of video.